Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how we can find records for species occurrence using R from OBIS. And OBIS is a marine biodiversity database. So if we want to get these records in R, the first thing that we need to do is to install and load the required packages in R. So this is a list of different packages which would be useful to install and then load in R. So you can use the command library with the name of the package to load the package. And if it can't find the package, then you want to install it first by using the command install.packages with the name of package. So you're going to want ROBIS, ggmap, raster, and all of the other packages on this list. Now, one of the things that we're going to use is a function called OBIS_map. And you can see here the code for that function is quite extensive, but the great thing about R is that there's open source codes like this that can be found online. So if you search for the OBIS map code online, you'll find this and you can paste that into R to define that function. So if we just want to find species occurrences around the globe in OBIS, we can use the first function that I've defined here, which is the occurrence function. And then we define the scientific name of the species that we're interested in. But if we're looking at a specific region, then one of the things we can do is we can make a polygon using the longitude and latitudes that we're interested in. So for example, if we want to have the occurrence of humpback whales between 0 and -10 degrees of longitude and between 50 and 60 degrees of latitude, we would use the following three commands that I have here. The first of which gets the occurrences using the scientific name for humpback whales, which is Megaptera novagliae, and then defines the geometry of the polygon. And then we're mapping this, and we're calling that OBIS map that I explained earlier. So what we should get would look like this, in which each occurrence of the humpback whale is represented by a yellow circle on our map, and then obviously this map can be customized to make it more clear. Now, another way of getting information into R from OBIS by specific region is to use the marineregions.org definitions. So this is a series of codes just showing how you would get bottlenose dolphin occurrences for the Spanish EEZ.